It's a deep dish Lidit bakeware set on a featured price of $26.46. So you have your 8x8, your 11x7, and your 13x9. $5.29 a month on Easy Pay. K48498 is your item number. So first, before we go through colors, why the Lidit?
So what I love about the deep dish Lidit, I'm taking my gloves off now. What I love about the deep dish Lidit is the versatility you have and the fact that this is also a baker as well. So it's your cookie sheet, it's your cutting board, it's your serving platter, it's the trivet for under your baker, or it's the lid for on top. So if you have any of our 8x8s, any of our 11x7, our 13x9, these pieces will work perfectly on top or beneath them, or just as a partner to them. You have been asking for Lidits. These we thought would go with the most popular sizes that we have.
Cynthia from California, if you're watching, you've never heard of a Lidit. This is what it can do. Your tray, your cookie sheet, your trivet, your baker, your roaster, all
cutting
the
board.
things, cutting board. We'll get to more, but first colors, my friend.
So floral lace, here's your blue, and then here you can see we have our green, our light blue, our cranberry, and our red. Perfect. Here you can actually see more of the color saturation on the side. There's your red. Then next door to the red we have your black, your beautiful spice, your eggplant, and we have our chocolate.
So good. Chocolate has been so popular this morning. $39 is your comparable retail value. We have it for $5.29 a month on Easy Pay, or $26.46 outright. Easy Pay means with any major credit card or PayPal, that's the price that you get at home. You start roasting on it. You start baking cookies on it. You start enjoying it at that price point. You have time to pay it off. K48498 is your item number. So as we're taking a look at this, oh my goodness, I'm sorry.
No worries. If you're picking up Old World, it just has the braided detail and similar color palette. Your spice, your black, your brown, your eggplant, your red, and your cranberry. Difference, you have your confetti there. We have, of course, that beautiful blue. We have your green. And at the very end, we have your festive fetti.
How could I leave out the Old World? Most limited, though, in that festive fetti, fewer than 100 to go around. And just remember that a lot of times it takes time to get these things back in stock. We don't know when they're going to come back.
Yes.
So just keep that in mind.
I'm going to the oven.
Get to bacon, my friend. All right, what are we going to do?
How you loving these gloves?
I
mean, I should have gave you the blue. How about some nachos?
Only my next to butternut squash favorite thing ever. But Sunday, this is definitely nacho day in our house.
Right?
It was when the, all the big games were going on.
Sure, of course. So take a peek here, whether you're doing your nachos, the things you're not going to do on your cookie sheet. Well, you might do them on your cookie sheet, but then of course you're going to transfer them onto something else. So here we did a beautiful plate of nachos. We did our wings. Again, being able to cook and serve right in here so that we're not using multiple pieces. And then we even did some little pizza bites. They could be frozen, they could be homemade. My mom always made them on those little muffin sandwiches.
Yeah.
We always had little pizzas, so
we
I
always
remember that.
Mini bagels, so good.
But whether you're serving breakfast, everybody's always looking for serving platters.
This is the one Cynthia purchased, the muffin pan from earlier on in the show, a set of 2. And then the trivets, like you said, they're so functional, oven safe up to 500 degrees. Pop them in the dishwasher, even though they're hand painted. You can still bring them into the freezer, the fridge. But like you said, you hit the nail on the head. It just makes such a lovely presentation.
Absolutely. And so whether you're making a cake on here and you're serving it, whether you're making bark or brownie bars, whatever you want to use, this depth here actually gives you the versatility of not only using it as just a serving platter, but also as an actual baking piece, where you can see here we've actually baked a brownie.
QVC FL. Football League? Oh, I am slow.
What do you mean? It's almost 3 o'clock in the morning.
QVC Football League. Everyone's like, I'm sorry. Oh my goodness, I love all of the ideas that you showed us.
Whether it's you're serving breakfast, whether you're cooking nachos on it, heating up wings, making pizza bites, these are those pieces that really create more than one theme that you can use in your Oster ovens, in your regular ovens, in your microwaves, everywhere you need to.
Something that really bothers me in prepping the food for my family, which becomes loathsome, is I'm using the cutting board, I'm chopping all the veggies, and then I'm using a different roasting pan, and then I'm using a different serving pan. You can chop all of your vegetables that you're roasting and then put it on the table. Maybe if you need something to protect the table, your new glove per se, and you're good to go. The family gets to enjoy these beautiful pieces that sit out lovely. Colors?
Yeah, here's our blue. We have your green and light blue, your cranberry and your red, your black, spice, eggplant, and chocolate. And then in your old world with the braided detail, we have your festive fetty, your green, blue, confetti, cranberry, red, eggplant, brown, black, and spice.
K48498. Don't spend $39. We have it on a featured price that could go away at any time of $26 and change or $5 and change a month on that Easy Pay. It's now your cooking day here at QVC, and our today's special value is from Vitamix. Here's Kathy with more.